Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 9th biology. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter number 4, cells and tissues. The topic we are going to discuss today is the passage of molecules into and out of cells. The first question is, what are semi-permeable membranes? Cell membranes act as barriers to most but not all molecules. That is why cell membranes are called semi-permeable membranes. The next question is about the definition of diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from an area of higher concentration to the area of lower concentration, that is along concentration gradient. That definition has been asked in the examinations for many times. The MCQs may be, the first one is about the definition of semi-permeable membranes. The other one is about the definition of diffusion. The next one is the molecules of any substance are in motion when that substance is above 0 degrees Kelvin or minus 273 degrees centigrade. The next one is about the facilitated diffusion. Important definition: when a transport protein moves a substance from higher to lower concentration, the process is called facilitated diffusion. The MCQs may be, the first one is, many molecules don't diffuse freely across cell membranes because of their size or charge. The other one is from the definition of facilitated diffusion, and the third one is, rate of facilitated diffusion is higher than simple diffusion. Next topic is about osmosis. Another important short question, as well a long question that can be asked in the examination. The first question is, what is osmosis? Osmosis is a movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane from a solution of lesser solute concentration to a solution of higher solute concentration. The MCQs may be from the definition of osmosis. The other one is about the tonicity. The term tonicity refers to the relative concentration of solutes in the solution being compared. The next one are the three definitions, and important with reference to the short questions. What is hypertonic solution? What is hypotonic solution? And what is isotonic solution? Or the question may be asked as, differentiate between hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution. And there is a definition of isotonic solution. And all these can be asked as MCQs as well. The first one from hypertonic solution definition, the other one from hypotonic solution definition, and the third one from isotonic solution definition. Our next topic is about the water balance problems. The question may be asked, what is the effect on an animal cell when it is placed in an isotonic solution, a hypertonic solution, are a hypertonic solution? The three effects can be asked as three short questions. The first effect of isotonic solution is here. The cell volume remains constant. When it is placed in the hypotonic solution, water enters in it and the cell swells. And when it is placed in hypertonic solution, it will lose water and will shrink in size. The MCQs may be about the effect of all these solutions. The last one is, in hypotonic environment, animal cells must have ways to prevent excessive entry of water, and in hypertonic environment they must have ways to prevent excessive loss of water. The questions on this page, the first one is about turgor pressure. When water moves inside cell, the vacuole will increase in size, but due to strong cell wall, plant cell doesn't rupture, instead it becomes rigid, and in this condition the outward pressure on the cell wall exerted by internal water is known as turgor pressure, and the phenomena is called turgor. So both definitions are present in these lines. What is plasmolysis? The shrinking of cytoplasm is called plasmolysis. MCQs may be from the definition of turgor pressure, turgor, and plasmolysis. Plant cells live in hypotonic environment. The next topic is about filtration. Define filtration. Filtration is a process by which small molecules are forced to move across semi-permeable membrane with the aid of hydrostatic pressure or blood pressure. The MCQs may be from the definition of filtration. The other one is, the turgor of cells is responsible for maintaining shapes of non-woody plants and soft portion of trees and shrubs. Our next topic is about active transport. What is active transport? Active transport is the movement of molecules from an area of lower concentration to the area of higher concentration. The MCQs may be from the definition of active transport. And the last point, this movement against the concentration gradient requires energy in the form of ATP. The next question is about what is sodium potassium pump. The next topic is about endocytosis. The process of cellular ingestion of bulky materials by enfolding of cell membrane is called as endocytosis. Now there are two definitions which may be asked as short question. The first one is phagocytosis and the other is pinocytosis. Also these both can be asked as differentiate between phagocytosis and pinocytosis. The two forms of endocytosis are phagocytosis, that is cellular eating, and pinocytosis is cellular drinking. During phagocytosis, cells take in solid material, while in pinocytosis, cell takes in liquid in the form of droplets. The MCQs may be from the definition of phagocytosis and from the definition of pinocytosis. In a colony of cells, there are many cells and each cell performs all general functions on its own. And the last question is exocytosis. What is exocytosis? It is a process through which bulky material is exported. That is called as exocytosis. The MCQs may be from the definition of exocytosis as well from the last line of this topic. This process adds a new membrane which replaces a part of cell membrane lost during endocytosis. The other question may be asked, draw the diagram showing the process of endocytosis and exocytosis. Write a note on endocytosis and exocytosis may also be asked as a long question. So dear students, today we have discussed some more topics of chapter number 4, cells and tissues. Inshallah, in the next topics we shall discuss animal and plant tissues. Till then, Allah Hafiz.